Chicago, Illinois. This is what happens when you try to save a few $100s on your rent. You end up living next door to people like this.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
New Orleans, Louisiana. These two Porsche pirates who are on a bike are here to take everything. They want it all. They're obviously trying to come up in the world.
Hey, put it back.
This has nothing to do with doorbell footage, but a neighbor on the Ring app shared this footage of his yellow water that comes out his faucet. It's pretty gross.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.